This is Jane. She's getting ready for her 4th Tinder date this week. Unfortunately for Jane, she has no idea she's living with bad beauty lighting. That's me, BBL. The cause of her beauty mishaps. Bad lighting is the reason why she's massively overdoing it with her concealer and completely missing the low protruding chin hair. She thinks she looks flawless, but out there, let's just say poor girl's about to walk out of here thinking her makeup looks on fleek, when really it's on terribly.
Oh man, what happened? I mean, you look a little sick. I'll grab that from you.
And bad beauty lighting isn't just in the bathroom. I'm everywhere. In the bedroom, Uber rides, office, and even in her hotel rooms when she travels. I live for these shampoos. And it's not just Jane. Most women have no idea how much of an effect bad beauty lighting has on their makeup routine. Until they do. I'm not here. I have bad beauty lighting. This is gonna ruin me. These fancy mirrors use Fancii's True Glow lighting system. They have color correcting LED lights so Jane can easily spot when her makeup isn't quite right, canceling out bad beauty lighting. Like me. With bright natural daylight at the press of a button, these mirrors let Jane know what she actually looks like no matter what I do. As if having one at home wasn't bad enough, they even make one in a travel size. Yay!
Brooke, I can see so much.
Well, she can't see that much.
No, literally, I can see everything. Like concealer spots I missed, and these hairs I didn't even know I had.
That's it. It's not me. Jane, it's you. You've changed. And here's the worst part. Apparently fancy mirrors really work, and women swear by it. But we don't need to show all that. Okay. Big whoop, some reviews from normal people. How about somebody we've actually heard of? That's it. I'm done. No one appreciates me around here anymore. You know what? I'm surprised it took this long to figure out. I thought everyone knew you needed natural daylight lighting to do your makeup. Hello.
Change of plans. We're going out tonight.
What do I need her for anyway? There are plenty of women who don't even know I exist. Oh, she looks oblivious. Her makeup looks like spray tan. How many layers of foundation did she put on? Too many. That's how many.